I got it.
Whoa.
No, thank you.
That is slipper.
No. They're already clean.
Dirty.
Dirty? No, bro.
You shine clean.
They're already clean, no?
What is this cleaning?
They look pretty clean to me.
Okay.
Thank you, though. No.
Take it.
Yeah,
Nice cleaning.
that's dirty. No, it's okay. Thank you, though.
Sir, that is
These are, they're very clean.
that is
10,000. Okay.
Yeah, but it's not a real Rolex.
No, not real. Indian real
But
Rolex.
But it's Indian real Rolex.
I am in India and this is my first ever vlog. It's kind of weird holding out a selfie stick, talking to the camera. I feel like when I do this, people look at me kind of strange and judge, but it's kind of fun and I'm pretty excited to start doing it. I think it's a great way for me to bring you guys with me on my travels. I'm actually in Delhi at the moment in a very, very quiet spot, which is quite rare. I had to find this little park area just so I could chat to you guys without the chaotic sounds of the traffic out there. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to start vlogging. I just thought I'd do a quick intro here and let you know what my plans are as such. I don't really have any plans, to be honest, but I basically want to start vlogging on every single trip that I go on. I'm going to try and film for you guys like the raw moments and the real moments and like just general conversations that happen so you can get more of a feel of what goes on when I travel, I guess. And yeah, it's kind of do something different. It's almost like a challenge to myself in a way. That is a big monkey. Oh my goodness. So it's day one in Old Delhi. We have just taken a boat out and we're trying to get a shot with loads of birds. A minute ago there was so many birds, but I think I scared them away with the drone. I think they're too smart and they know that the drone's here and they just won't come back. But we're gonna try our best to feed them and hopefully they'll come back and we'll get some cool shots. So we're gonna feed the birds with this. Salty sticks. That's what the birds demand. That's what we're gonna give them. Oh, here they are. This is how you get the birds in.
Oh.
So I'm at the Paharganj main bazaar, which is one of the most touristic streets in New Delhi, and I'm gonna have a little bit of fun bartering with these guys. Obviously, because it's so touristy, they bump the prices up so high. So I'm quite interested to see how low I can get them, and yeah, let's see what happens.
How much?
450.
450. Oh my god, that's too much.
499. Okay, 400. Okay.
That's too much. 100.
They're joking. Final 350.
I could maybe consider 200.
Final this 300.
I could probably stretch to 250 maximum. Yeah, 250? Yeah?
Okay.
250. Thank you very much. Gucci. How much?
100 rupees.
100? Oh my god, too much. 20?
Huh?
20 rupee? No? What's the best price?
50 rupees fixed price.
50?
Yeah.
Fixed price?
Yeah.
You just said 100?
100 bargaining price.
35. 50. 40.
40.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. High five.
Bye bye.
Oh, yeah. That's kind of weird. How much?
300. Real stone carnelian.
50.
50 no really.
What's the best price? No.
It's real, not plastic.
Okay, 80.
80, 100, 150 no.
Okay, 160. Yeah, thanks anyway.
You like two, I give you 500.
It's very expensive.
No friend, it's real, no plastic.
Okay, last price 170.
My final price 200 finish over.
No, that's too much.
Take it.
170? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh wow. How much for the Rolex? 850.
Yes. Very cheaper. India
That's
is
expensive,
cheaper.
no?
No expensive. Your country expensive. 800 rupees for you only.
Oh, it's too much.
Tell me how much you want to pay.
200.
Not my cost, believe me. Yeah. Okay, 650.
650.
Oh.
It's still too much.
Final price, how much you give?
Yeah, like
Not
200.
Rolex possible. No. Another
What's your final price?
600. Tell me price. Last price. How much you give?
250.
300.
300. No, that's too much.
Okay,
250.
take it. Yeah,
250.
okay, give money. Next time you will come with me.
See you again next time.
Okay, okay.
550.
500 rupee.
50.
Oh my
It's
god.
very nice. Good ribbon. How much?
80.
Yeah?
80.
No. Okay, 400.
Needs to be around 80.
No 80, sir. Very nice. Good ribbon.
It's good quality. Okay, maybe 100.
Okay, 300. Okay. 200.
It's-
Only 200.
It's too much.
Okay, 150.
100. Yeah? Okay. Hello. It fits? Yeah! In the front. Okay, let's go. You coming with us?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wow. There's not much room here. This is insane. This is where these guys live. The little campsite. So cool.
Currency जो है help.
So this is a really special place. We're in Varanasi right now. It's the oldest living city in the world. It's also the spiritual capital of India and one of my favorite places in India.
Mahakal.
It's so unique, so fascinating.
Mahakal Fauji
And
Nangaji.
it's got loads of people like this guy.
Mahakal Fauji Nangaji.
What does that
Indians,
mean?
Indians.
Indians. Alright. So it's 6 a.m. in the morning here, the sunrise is coming up, it's beautiful. We got ourselves on a boat and we brought along one of our original Nagu sadhus. He was here with us when we were negotiating the price for the boat and I just asked him to come with and he was like, sure. What is this called?
Ganja.
Ganja, but not weed.
This is not hashish. This is ganja.
It's not hashish, it's ganja.
Family go there, take the fire from the Shiva fire to start the body fire. That's the eternal fire of Shiva. This fire been burning more than 3,500 years continue non-stop. Take minimum 2 hours, maximum 3 hours to burn water. They don't look, it means soul, let him freedom. If you look back, it means soul follow as a ghost.
Well, that's the end of my Varanasi trip. I just want to quickly talk about what went down as we left the burning ghats today. So as we're walking out, we have to take these narrow alleyways up to the main road. It was real narrow and 6 guys are like charging down. We got straight out of the way and like leaned against the back wall. As they come right past us and they're like a centimeter away from us, we look down and it's a dead body. It's like a very fresh dead body. She had makeup on, her hair was done, and she was obviously on her way to the burning ghats. And at that moment, all of what I had learnt over the last hour talking to that guy became very real. And we were just stunned. We weren't obviously expecting to see a dead body. We definitely didn't want to see one. But as we looked down and saw this lady, we were just like lost for words. And yeah, like it made the whole experience become very real suddenly. With that said, tonight we fly out to Delhi, and from Delhi we have to drive to Agra. So tomorrow we go to the Taj Mahal, and I'm pretty excited for that because after all, I am still a tourist. So last night we got here in Agra at about 2 a.m. We were supposed to wake up for sunrise to go and shoot the Taj Mahal. That did not happen. We were just so tired. So today when I woke up late, I googled the best things to do in Agra other than the Taj Mahal. And one of the things that kept coming up was this place called Akbar the Great's tomb. So we decided to drive out here. It's about a 40-minute drive from the Taj Mahal, and it's actually so beautiful. I'm surprised at how quiet it is too. Everywhere in India is so busy, but this place is like empty and it's beautiful. It's got like amazing Moroccan / Middle Eastern type vibes. I feel like all of the temples, and in this case tombs, are so detailed and beautiful in India. This is the middle of the day as well. This is like peak time for tourism and nobody's here. I thought you weren't going to come.
2 hours sleep, bro. 2 hours sleep. Yo, Jacob. Good to meet you, man.
So we're trying to find a spot to get out close enough to the Taj Mahal, but not too close to get caught flying a drone. Oh, wow, what the fuck? We're miles away. How did we just get so far away? Don't you come any higher.
I'm not going any higher. I won't do it, Jack.
I'm right in the grounds now.
Same.
Fuck, this is so wrong, but so right.
Same angle.
Whoa, creamy.
Creamy, delicious content. Hey, how are you?
This is drone camera remote.
Yeah.
Drone is not allowed.
Oh, really? Okay, will you come back?
Oh.
Come in.
Oh,
Now?
so sorry.
Okay, we land now.
Oh, we'll come back. No worries. Thank you.
Drone not allowed.
I didn't know that. Sorry.
This is Taj Mahal, 500 meters area.
I had no idea. We're so sorry.
It's gonna crash.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna crash. It wouldn't let me change it. Wouldn't. It's like shit.
Not even anything.
It just crashed. That's so upsetting. More about the content than the drone. It must have just hit something at 70 meters, like a tree. I don't know. Oh. It must have like hit a tree or something, completely disconnected. I just couldn't find the drone. The maps were showing where it was, but it wouldn't like show in detail, so like I couldn't like aim myself towards what a drone is, and yeah, I just lost the drone. So we just used the Wi-Fi at a hotel and we loaded the maps and we got the exact coordinates of the drone, and it's just 4 minutes drive from here. If we find this drone on this very, very slim chance, this is gonna be unreal. It's very close to like a public school. I feel like there's gonna be people around. India's a busy place. I feel like people will just pick it up off the floor, but I'm gonna find out where it landed, and then I'm gonna ask around if it's not there, and hopefully pay someone to come and give it to me back.
I'm waiting right there.
So this is where the drone landed apparently, in this village. It's probably the worst place it could have landed other than on top of the Taj Mahal. If it landed on the floor, I feel like someone's picked it up. And there's just so many people here. It's like,
This is actually insane.
if we get the drone back right now in this little village, I will be extremely surprised.
It could be anywhere around here, apparently. Further up here is the exact location. There.
What?
What? Where is it?
This guy has this drone. Oh my god.
No money.
No. Can I have my drone though?
In which hotel you are staying, you can contact me from this hotel.
Look, it's easy if I have to
No
give you this.
problem, no problem. You can take it a drone, not have no any problem.
No,
You
I
can
know.
be take it your drone,
I know,
but
I know.
some problem from India is Pakistan.
I know.
So God forbid it be the drone is matter.
What I'm saying
I
is-
have not information any police station, any news station. No,
Yeah,
I have
yeah,
no any situation. But I will told you that so
Now it's with
you are right. I know very well. But this is the some problem.
I know it's problem.
Because in the country India and Pakistan
I
is
know.
much more dangerous situation.
But you can see I'm not Pakistan.
No, I know, but this one is not be considered.
I know.
Yeah. Listen to me. I have उसको phone तो दिया लेकिन.
Photo ID.
नहीं, your no name, your hostel name.
My hostel name.
Yeah.
What's the hostel called? Called
Crimson.
Crimson.
Hotel
Close
Crimson.
Hello, Tappo. Hello. You get person confirm from this, and I will take it to you.
Am I gonna be in trouble?
will give you drone. This is the information gave the person. No problem.
Let's get out. Okay, so we're on a getaway now. Like, all those guys were so nice, and they gave us the drone back. I tried to give them quite a lot of money, and none of them would take it. As we're leaving, they wouldn't give me the drone unless I confirmed who I was. They were like, we need to confirm you're not a Pakistani. So I showed them my driving license. They took a photo of it, and then they let us go and they gave me the drone back. They would take no money. But then as we're walking away, they're like, hey, somebody called the police and you need to chat to them about something. I'm like, but I just showed you my ID. So I don't really know what the situation is with that, but I really don't feel like going to the police station, and I'm sure it would all be fine. You just don't know what they want. Like, they might want to see the footage, they might want to confiscate the drone. They might end up making me sit there for 3 hours, and we need to get to Vrindavan today. We're gonna try and get back as soon as possible and then I guess head out. Ooh, that was hectic. Those guys followed me to the hotel and they demanded to speak to the hotel manager. Once they got the passport details and once they called the police, they left. I asked the manager, like, what shall I do? He said, if the police get here and you're here, who knows what will happen? It could just take hours and hours of paperwork. I mean, I'm not gonna go to jail over it, and I don't really care about the fine. It's more that the time spent at the police station when we all want to get to the Holi festival. He said, basically, I should just pack my bags and get out of here. So that's what I did. My bags are packed. It's all been very hectic. I hope it was worth it. Like, at the end of the day, I definitely do have respect for the guys who took my drone out. I'm not at all, like, mad with them, like, coming to my hotel and calling the police. Like, I offered those guys like 50 US, that's all I had in my wallet, but 50 US is like, it is quite a lot of money to some of these people, especially the people that live in these villages. So they refused, nobody wanted it, and that's quite nice. Like, they just wanted to do right by their country, and if they did suspect that I was doing anything suspicious with that drone, $50 isn't gonna cut it. I know I was doing the wrong thing. I thought I wasn't gonna cause any trouble. Like, we both knew that it was wrong to drone there, but the way we saw it is we're not actually gonna drone into the Taj Mahal, of course. We're like just droning outside it. Like, there was no real danger, I thought anyway. I wouldn't personally do it again. Obviously, I've got the drone back now, I've got the SD card. I hope it turns out all right. If it does, which I'm sure it will, I'm gonna put it in the video now. I guess this is the end of the first vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. The next vlog in India is gonna be the Holi festival vlog. And yeah, I'll see you there.